keep booming in the cities. Making drug deals, but my nigga ain't gon' finish. Said to me, shot a pimp later on that afternoon. Talk about the business and the dope that we about to do. Bitch, a bit of kinda clever, make this shit. It's the nigga, cause it might just be a drug. We can make it over at the motherfucking well. She rap on dope, I get my dope, now nigga put some money.
Spotify Premium is the best way to upgrade your listening experience. Enjoy your music fully when you play songs in any order, download them offline at higher quality, and listen to them ad-free. It's what your ears deserve. Tap the banner to learn more.